Class, welcome back to UPSC learning class beta. As you all know that yesterday I have completed lesson 10 Beauty and the Beast part 2 children. Today I am going to start with your new chapter lesson 15 conjunctions beta. Okay, so conjunctions are the joining words. It joins two or more than two words or sentences beta, in which we use, for example, and, or, but, since, though. This type of words we are used as conjunctions for joining the two words or sentences beta. So it will be more clear when you read the chapter after my explanation. It is very easy chapter. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also beta. Okay children, so we are going to start today new chapter, that is conjunction. So I hope it is more clear to you that conjunctions are the joining words which join two or more words or sentences. So let's start with the chapter conjunction beta. Okay, this is your lesson 15 of English language beta. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the lesson 10 of English literature course book. Today I am going to continue with your English language lesson 15 beta, which is in page number 49. Okay children, so please open your page number 49. First of all, what do you mean by conjunctions? So conjunctions are the joining words. They join two or more than two words or sentences. Means conjunctions are the joining words as and, or, but. This type of words are conjunctions. These are joining words. So conjunctions are the joining words. They join two or more than two words or sentences beta. For example, happiness and sadness go together. So in this happiness and sadness, these are two different terms which is joined by and. Okay. So and is the conjunction here. Happiness and sadness go together. Second is I shall take tea or coffee. So I am confused that I shall take tea or coffee. So or is the conjunction here. Okay. Is the joining word. Next is Ravi bought new dress but he decided to wear the old one. In this Ravi bought new dress, but he decided to wear the old one. So but is the conjunction. Come to the next. Kavita couldn't win the first prize. Kavita couldn't win the first prize, though she worked very hard. Means Kavita could not win the first prize, but though she worked very hard. So though is the conjunction here. Okay, so in the first two sentences the conjunction and or connect words, whereas in the next two sentences the conjunction but and though connect two sentences. It is clear to you all? So come below, read some more sentences and understand the conjunction more. So Khali works more than he eats. Khali, this is a picture of Khali. So Khali works more than he eats. So than is conjunction here. You will not succeed until you work hard. So until is also conjunction in this sentence. Okay. Come to the next. We haven't met since you left for Chennai. Time is given here. So since is the conjunction here. Come to the next. Rabina didn't play because she was ill. So Rabina didn't play because she was ill. So because is the joining word here. Next is I shall come if you invite me. So if is joining word. I shall come if you invite me. So if is joining word. So it is conjunction here. Come to the next. They help us since we were their friends. So since is also conjunction. Now I am going to explain how can you write in your English language fair copy, children. So open your fresh page of English language and mention lesson 15 conjunction. So you can write like this in your fair copy of English language, lesson 15 conjunction. Okay, at the right side class work and mention today's date, that is 31/21, children. Now write down the heading definition. So conjunction are the joining words. Conjunctions are used to join two or more than two words or sentences. As I have explained you in the book, it is more clear to you that conjunctions are the joining words. It is always used as joining words. And what it can be joined? Conjunctions always joins two or more than two words or sentences. Okay, students? So conjunctions are the joining words which are used to join two or more than two words or sentences, beta. For example, I shall take tea or coffee. First example is given that I shall take tea or coffee. In this, or word is joining two words. Tea and coffee are two different beverages which is added by, joined by or word. So I shall take tea or coffee. So or is the conjunction here. Come to the next. Happiness and sadness go together. Happiness and sadness go together. In this, and word is used as conjunction because it is joining word. So happiness and sadness go together. In this, and is conjunction. So in the above sentences, or and are the joining words and also used to complete the sentence and sense also. Okay, children? So what is your today's work? Today's work is to complete this definition in your English language fair copy, beta. Okay, complete it neatly, nicely and send it to me in the WhatsApp group and learn the definition also. This is your today's homework. Okay, beta, thank you.